After an oil change, my RX-8 started burping blue smoke when I got near a red line. And it turns out it's because I overfilled the oil. I'm gonna pull the front up on ramps and get underneath and drain the oil. And then while the oil's draining, I'm gonna explain why I need to drain the oil and what happens when you overfill the oil in an RX-8 or in most cars. So what happens when you overfill your oil? Why does it cause your car to run badly? Here at the top of the engine, we have the oil fill. When the oil level gets too high, this tube allows the oil to flow into the air intake. Now, what happens when oil flows into the air intake? When the throttle body opens, this oil gets sucked into the intake and it's combusted. Note that you have your airflow meter here. This is telling the ECU how much air it's getting. You have this sensor telling the ECU, oh, you're getting this much air. And then you're also gonna get this oil in here. The ECU has no idea that's coming, and it's trying to compute how much gas to give. And what ends up happening is the air-fuel mixture is just wrong. Currently, this car is only experiencing an issue at very high RPMs. Well, that's because as the RPMs increase, the oil pressure goes up. When the oil pressure goes up, that's what makes the oil come up to this hose and then flow down into the intake. And in fact, after I try to do a pull, I get a check engine light, I get misfires because the mixture isn't able to detonate properly. And if I stick my hand down here, you can see there's some sort of mystery fluid, which in this case I know is oil. And this stuff is just all over the underside of this AEM air intake. The car is warmed up, so I can check the oil, but I know it's too high, so I'm gonna drain it, and then check it, and drain it, and check it, and drain it, and check it while it's still warm. So let's get started. So the drain plug is right there on the side of the oil pan. That's very, very convenient. Thank you, Mazda. It's a 19. Whew, it was really overfilled because it's still above full right now. There we go. Now it's right at the full mark.